In this small piece of code, we have defined a function v as the final velocity as the initial velocity u plus acceleration a multiplied by time t, and we have arrayfied this function so that we can give any range of values for each of the parameters. So to see what happens when we write this code, you could go to the code generation facility, so you can see what this piece of code in Z3 language or ZCubes language has gotten converted to. Gets converted to this, and that's how it's executed. So now you can give a range of values for all of these three parameters and calculate the results. Now, an interesting thing here is that we could make these parameters into units aware parameters. So after this is done, what you could do is you could say that this is in meters per second, and this is in meter per second square, and this is in seconds. And when you do the computation, it'll calculate everything in with the units in mind. So as you notice here, it's 10.8 meter per second as velocity, the final velocity. Now let's say we change this to R's, and you can see that everything is appropriately recalculated, just that because it's an R, the velocity at that after the R is going to be quite substantially different, and that's what you're seeing in the result, that it is 35281 instead of the previous value that you were seeing. So this shows how we mix units and arrayfication of functions and parameters to achieve scientific computation.